It's a beautiful sunny day, and I just want to ask, is there anything that you're grateful for today?
Absolutely. I mean, always. Like, I'm thankful for my clients, for becoming really passionate about soil biology, because during tough times, like, it is the thing that kind of keeps me going and helps me stay focused and moving forward. But also, I'm super grateful for my influences, right? And some of those influences go back to my childhood. I used to volunteer as a young child at the Arm and Bayou Nature Center with my grandmother, and she was the kind of lady who would pick up snakes and hold them and show you, right? And she loved nature, and she loved gardening, and she loved roses. So I really think a lot of where I get my passion for soil and the environment stems from her taking me to the Arm and Bayou Nature Center at such a young age, because over there that's what they emphasize is nature, right? Native plants, how we impact the environment. And having grown up with that being a part of my experience, I really think that's a huge reason why it's so ingrained in me today. And then, like, hey, a shout out to my dad. When we were little, we lived in various places, right? And he has his own business. He does roofing. And before he really took off in his own business, we lived in mobile homes and other small houses, right? And to my father, it never mattered where we lived, right? He would always basically rip up the landscape and redo it, make sure he had a nice yard, make sure he had flower beds everywhere. Even, once or twice if he lived in an apartment, that guy was making a flower bed in front of the freaking patio in the apartment, right? A dude loves a good lawn and landscape. So I joke around and I say sometimes that I turned my dad's hobby into my profession. And I'm thankful for that, and having a keen eye, right? Him having been in roofing my whole life, we would walk around and he would point out nails, right? And little things. And I'm like, hey, go pick that up, go pick that up. And now I can walk around a lawn and I'll see chinch bugs, right? Or moths, or little variations in the lawn that people are like, man, how did you see that? And I'm like, I think I kind of saw it because how detailed my dad was on a job cleanup. Now I'm detailed on my own jobs and very specific about what I see and how I approach it.